100 road signs and meanings. Stop sign. Stop sign. Tells drivers to stop completely. Yield. Yield. Slow down and give way to others. Speed limit. Speed limit. Maximum speed allowed on the road. No entry. No entry. Do not go in this direction. One way. One way. Traffic moves in only one direction. Pedestrian crossing. Pedestrian crossing. Area where people cross the road. School zone. School zone. Be careful, children may be crossing. Hospital. Hospital. Hospital nearby. Keep noise low. U-turn not allowed. U-turn not allowed. You cannot make a U-turn here. No parking. No parking. Parking is not allowed. No stopping. No stopping. You cannot stop your vehicle here. Slippery road. Slippery road. Be careful, road is slippery. Speed bump. Speed bump. Slow down, bump ahead. Traffic light ahead. Traffic light ahead. Prepare to stop or go as per signal. Roundabout ahead. Roundabout ahead. Circular intersection coming up. Zebra crossing. Zebra crossing. A black and white crossing for people. Bicycle lane. Bicycle lane. Area meant only for bicycles. Men at work. Men at work. Road work ahead, drive slowly. Narrow road. Narrow road. The road becomes narrower. Bridge ahead. Bridge ahead. A bridge is on the road ahead. No horn. No horn. No honking allowed here. Dead end. Dead end. The road ends here. Turn left. Turn left. Drivers must turn left. Turn right. Turn right. Drivers must turn right. Height limit. Height limit. Vehicles above this height not allowed. Width limit. Width limit. Only narrow vehicles can go. Weight limit. Weight limit. Maximum weight limit for vehicles. Animal crossing. Animal crossing. Animals may cross here. Falling rocks. Falling rocks. Be careful of falling rocks. Railway crossing. Railway crossing. Train tracks ahead. Be alert. Traffic signal. Traffic signal. Stop, get ready, or go. Hill road. Hill road. Steep hill ahead. Drive carefully. Overtaking prohibited. Overtaking prohibited. Do not pass other vehicles. Parking allowed. Parking allowed. You can park your vehicle here. Handicapped parking. Handicapped parking. Parking spot for disabled people. Fire station. Fire station. Fire trucks may enter any time. Bus stop. Bus stop. Bus stops here for passengers. Airport. Airport. Airport nearby. No U-turn. No U-turn. U-turn is not allowed here. Crossroad. Crossroad. Road crosses ahead. T-junction. T-junction. Road ends and joins another road. Y-junction. Y-junction. Road splits in two directions. Left curve. Left curve. Road curves left. Right curve. Right curve. Road curves right. Double curve. Double curve. Two curves, first left or right. Children crossing. Children crossing. Children may cross here. Truck prohibited. Truck prohibited. Trucks not allowed. Keep left. Keep left. Stay on the left side. Keep right. Keep right. Stay on the right side. Left lane must turn. Left lane must turn. Left lane must turn only. Roundabout direction. Roundabout direction. Indicates direction inside roundabout. Dangerous curve. Dangerous curve. Sharp turn coming up. Tunnel ahead. Tunnel ahead. Road goes through a tunnel. Watch for pedestrians. Watch for pedestrians. Look out for people walking. Tram crossing. Tram crossing. Trams may cross road here. Construction zone. Construction zone. Drive slowly due to construction. Cattle zone. Cattle zone. Cattle may be on road. Bike crossing. Bike crossing. Cyclists may cross ahead. Dangerous dip. Dangerous dip. Road dips down suddenly. Truck route. Truck route. Path for trucks to use. Lane ends. Lane ends. One lane is ending ahead. Two-way traffic. Two-way traffic. Vehicles from both sides coming. Merge ahead. Merge ahead. Two lanes joining into one. School bus stop. School bus stop. School bus stops here. Emergency exit. Emergency exit. Exit in case of emergency. Watch for ice. Watch for ice. Road may be icy or slippery. Livestock area. Livestock area. Farm animals might be nearby. Rest area. Rest area. Safe area to stop and rest. Gas station. Gas station. Fuel or petrol station nearby. Detour. Detour. Follow this new route. Road closed. Road closed. Road is not usable. Bump ahead. Bump ahead. Slow down for a bump. No pedestrians. No pedestrians. Walking not allowed here. No bicycles. No bicycles. Bicycles are not allowed. Road narrows left. Road narrows left. Left side of road narrows. Road narrows right. Road narrows right. Right side of road narrows. Slow. Slow. Drive slowly. End of speed limit. End of speed limit. Speed limit ends here. Fuel ahead. Fuel ahead. Petrol/diesel station ahead. Hotel nearby. Hotel nearby. Lodging is available. Food ahead. Food ahead. Restaurants available en route. Scenic route. Scenic route. Beautiful views ahead. Passing lane. Passing lane. Safe lane to overtake. Steep descent. Steep descent. Road goes downhill steeply. Steep ascent. Steep ascent. Road goes uphill steeply. Road work ahead. Road work ahead. Maintenance is in progress. Toll booth. Toll booth. Pay toll to pass through. Airport shuttle. Airport shuttle. Area for airport shuttle pickup. Watch for deer. Watch for deer. Deer may cross road. Curve with speed. Curve with speed. Turn with specific speed limit. Slower traffic, keep right. Slower traffic, keep right. Move right if driving slowly. Caution. Caution. General warning sign. Left turn only. Left turn only. Only left turns allowed. Right turn only. Right turn only. Only right turns allowed. Minimum speed. Minimum speed. Drive at least this speed. Maximum height. Maximum height. Tall vehicles cannot pass. Emergency vehicles. Emergency vehicles. Emergency vehicle area only.
Hello little learners, thanks for your support. Like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Tutors TV. Tap the bell to see our next fun video.